So today, what we'll be learning today is just how to create grand reflections of images using Pixellab. Okay, this has been a challenge to many persons, and I would want to show you how you can create um, ground reflections of images using Pixellab. It's very simple. We're going to use these three images to do this. Okay, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe to the Diligent Designer YouTube channel. Subscribe, click the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you will be able to see them and then learn. So this is a channel that teaches you everything that has to do with graphic design using Pixellab, using Photoshop and other designing softwares, and then from time to time I show you design tips that will help you become better. So let's just dive right in. So I'm going to make the other two. I'm going to take them off. So let's use this Coca-Cola can first. Okay, bring it up. So what you do is to duplicate this image. Okay, duplicate. Then you rotate. Then show it's perfect. You bring it down here. You bring it down here. You can take it up a little so that the yes, something like this. Yes, let it be in the perfect center. So this is what I'm talking about. So there are two ways you can do it. You can use eraser. You can bring up eraser. Eraser. You can use eraser to erase the part of um, the can you don't want, which is from here. We don't need this part. Okay, we don't need all this part. 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 You click OK. So this is what is there. We reduce the opacity. Just something very small. Have you seen that? So this is just simply how you can create. But the second option I'm going to show you right now is the one I consider best. Okay, so I'm going to take this back. Okay, so the second option I'm talking about, if you've gotten to this point, it's quite remarkable. So I just want you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so that you can really witness the next tutorials I'll be sharing. So let's just move on to the second method. So to the second method, what you just do is to create a rectangle. Okay, create a rectangle, and then you give it gradient fill, color, enable gradient. Okay, gradient. So you reduce the opacity of one side. Let's say this particular left hand side. So this is opacity. Okay, so you reduce the opacity. This part is white. This part is um, transparent. Okay, so you come to one part of it, click on this bucket icon, move this to the extreme end, which shows transparency. So when you've done this, you click OK. Okay, there's something that happened here. Let me delete this. We're going to create and get another one. Okay, get another rectangle. Let's make use of this one. So you just come to this place, this fill. You change it to gradient and then you choose this. Have you seen this now? So this is what I'm talking about. So you're going to use this, make it bigger, rotate it, and just place it. Okay. You place it in a way whereby it can. So this is what I'm talking about. So now you keep um bringing, you keep duplicating until it looks like what you want. It looks like what you want. It looks like what you keep duplicating. For me, this is a lot more professional than the first part, the first one. So this is an exact. This is how to do it. This is the best way you can do it. Okay. So I'm going to leave this the. Okay. Let me merge all of this. Merge. So they are now one. So I'm going to take this out. Okay, we're going to use this now. We're going to create it with this. Okay, let me put off this guy. We're going to use this coffee. So I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to rotate now because I already have that stuff I've already done. So it will make things very easy for me. Okay, take it to the center. Take it to the center. Okay, I'm going to take it up a bit. Okay, and then I'm going to now introduce this. Take it to the top. Bring it up. So are you seeing this now? This is a perfect representation of that. Okay, so you can choose to move this up a little bit and bring this to the top too. So this is what it looks. So this is just how you can create this. Very simple, very straightforward. I would love to even use okay, no, let me not use this one now. Let me use, there's something now, there's, let me use a frame, a gold frame, a gold frame. Okay, this is a gold frame. Let me use this one. So assuming you're using this now, the same method, you duplicate it. Let me bring it to the center. Then you duplicate. Okay, and then this thing you've already done. Are you seeing this now? Perfect, very okay, very sharp, very nice. Okay, so this is just simply how to create reflections of objects in Pixellab the best way possible. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe as fast as possible because this will help the channel grow. Okay, do well to subscribe. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have any tutorial or tip you would want me to talk about, just leave it in the comment section. I'm going to respond as quick as possible. Okay, so have a great day. This is the Diligent Designer Timeout. God bless you. Have a great day.